Hey again, y'all. I'm back and I'm starting Halloween. I'm excited to do Halloween. I love how these turned out, especially the little skulls. They look like little shrunken heads. I did them for my niece, and I did the skeleton unicorn for my little great nephew. He can play with it with his dinosaurs. Anyway, I hope y'all like them. Okay, showing y'all I spray painted those little skulls. You saw they was white to begin with. Got 3 of them. And that's my bronze metallic paint I'm going to use. And then my 3 succulents. I thought those was pretty colors. And some little sticky pearls. Okay. I turn my light on, it messes up the shadows, but it helps Granny see better. I'm going to try to fix all that when I get out in my little shed. Now, I'm gonna start doing the little bronze over the black. It makes it look really cool. Just using them little brushes I got from Dollar Tree. I just brushed it everywhere to bring everything out and make it show up better. Sorry it took me a while to get the next video out. We've been busy. We've been working on the SOB because we actually had a sunny week here in Georgia. It did rain this morning, so of course I had a migraine yesterday, but we've been getting some good work done out there because I've been feeling better. But I was glad to get these little DIYs done. I did spray paint a bunch of stuff over the weekend in between our work so I could have it ready to decorate when I get the chance. But at least I got this video out this week. I don't know if I'll get another one or not, but we'll see. Maybe I can get one more. At least I got 2 DIYs in this one though. And all this stuff is from Dollar Tree. I'll turn the light on here a minute, I think, to show y'all what it looks like. Can't see it too good there. Yeah, here it comes. Don't it look cool? Makes it look like old, like little shrunken heads. Okay, then I paint the other 2 and dry them. Now, I did have trouble with this project. These little things, they're sticky, but I didn't know if they're sticky enough. So I put hot glue in them little eye sockets, and I was getting it everywhere, of course. And then I dropped the little pearls. But I finally got them in all the eyes. It just took me a little while. See, I had a fiddle and everything. But I finally got them in all 3 of them. I'm fiddle fingers. They look cool, though. The worst part, I watched a video when they did something like this. I think maybe Bargain Bethany, I think is her name. And I could have swore she just hot glued the succulents into the little skulls. I'm thinking her skulls might have been glass, because hot gluing these in did not work. They kept falling out. But I'm glad they did, because then it made me think of using the moss, and they look so much better with the moss, y'all. Now, you'll see here in a minute. I was getting everything ready so I could try to hot glue them. And it just would not work. I don't know. The only thing I can think of is because it's plastic, maybe. And I spray painted it. But one of them, the spray paint come off and it still wouldn't stick. I tried first, though. That's what I was going to do, because that's what I saw on the video. Whoever did that one, theirs was more brightly colored little skulls and stuff, not Halloween ones, but I wanted Halloween ones. But I tried, and I just finally realized with this one here would not stick any at all. So then I checked the others, and they wasn't sticking right either. I tried that glue. It didn't work. I even tried a tacky glue. But I couldn't get none of it work. So I thought, well, maybe I'll put some moss in there. And it works, and it looks so cute. I just love these, y'all. This is one of my favorite DIYs so far. The hot glue would stick the moss to them. So I don't know. I guess between the succulents and the plastic, something just didn't work. But the moss sticks good, even to my glue gun, as you saw. I'm a mess. I'm not one of those neat crafters who has everything right, knows how to use it for sure. I think I'm getting better as I go. I'm sure learning anyway. But I get all that stuck around it. That's the one that the paint pulled off. But I'm covering it up. And then I can hot glue the succulent to the moss, and it works real well. I did these yesterday, and I checked them this morning, and they're still in there good. I shook them upside down, none of them come loose. So I figured it out, and they look so cute. You'll see here in a minute. I held them for a good little bit to make sure they stuck, and then trim off the excess moss so they could see. Look how cute. And then I did the other two. Let's show you what each one of them looks like. Which one's your favorite? I think they're all cute, but I like the teal green looking one the best. They got happy hair. That's my favorite. Yep, they sticking still this morning too, so yay! And I'll show you a couple pictures of them here after I do a little, well, I did Mod Podge them, I forgot that part. I had to go back Mod Podge them so they would not, hopefully paint won't chip off on my niece when she's using them. Of course, I think she'll probably just set them up somewhere, so it shouldn't be handled too much, but I was trying to help it. Keep it good anyway. And there they are. I'll show you some pictures too where they look better. Ain't they cute? I might have to make me my own set of these. Just probably, y'all. I like them. Let me know if y'all like them. I'll show you some pictures at the end. Here comes the second one. I'm making this for my little great nephew. I spray painted the skeleton unicorn black. And for him, I tried that glow-in-the-dark thing in his eyes and on his horn, and I hate that paint, y'all. It just does not work. But I like how my acrylic copper looks on him. Another Dollar Tree brush. Oh, them paints are not from Dollar Tree. They're from Hobby Lobby. I forgot about that. But you use whatever paint you got. I'm sure Dollar Tree got some kind of paint that'll work. I was hunting my brush to do the glow-in-the-dark paint with. I forgot to get it out. I hate that didn't work. It would have been cool, but it hardly does anything. And I left it set in the window all day. I don't know. Still got orange eyes. My little nephew will like that anyway. But see how cool the copper looks on that black? It's neat. And it don't take too long to do. I sped it up for y'all, but even in real time, it's not too bad. And it looks so cool. Brings out all his bones. I think he'll like playing with it with his dinosaurs. He loves dinosaurs, but I couldn't find one of them. So I thought maybe he'll play with this with them. He probably will. I wonder what he'll name it. He names a lot of his stuff. I don't know what he'll name a skeleton unicorn. I was going to give it to him this week, but he's sick again. Poor little thing's sick a lot lately. I hope he's well soon so I can see him. I miss him. I have to take him his little present whenever he gets well. Maybe it'll be before Halloween. I sure hope so. They've been sick, the whole house, way too long. Look how cool. Make sure I get all the places. Here you go. Now, y'all, look how cool that looks. Here's where I tried that crappy paint. It's just awful, y'all. I got it at Walmart. I do not recommend it. Unless I'm just doing something totally wrong. If y'all know how you use it, let me know. But I tried it. and I set it aside, and it just would not dry. I went on and did that whole other project, and when I went back, it was still wet, even after using the blow dryer some. So I scraped all that off. And I used some sandpaper to try to get rid of the spray paint. I thought maybe that was the problem. And I painted it again with that glow-in-the-dark paint. It still wasn't looking right and wasn't wanting to dry. I kept hoping it would work because that would be cool. But it never did do right. It's just so watery and thin, and I just don't like it. So I wiped it off. Then I decided I was just going to paint the eyes and stuff with the copper paint. Maybe if I put that paint on, the other would stick to it. Does a little better, but it still don't really glow. I took it in the bathroom, and it don't glow enough to really tell anything, just a tiny bit. But it's still orange horn and eyes, so it looks kind of scary. So works for Halloween. I think my little great nephew will like it anyway. See, he looks cool. Thank y'all so much for watching my video, and please subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you for some more Halloween videos soon. Bye bye.